Sir Muhammad Iqbal, commonly known as Allama Iqbal, was a famous philosopher, poet, and politician of the Indian subcontinent. He was born on November 9, 1877, in Sialkot, a city in present-day Pakistan, which was then part of British India. Childhood. Iqbal was born into a family of Kashmiri Brahmins who had converted to Islam. His father, Sheikh Noor Muhammad, was a tailor, and his mother, Imam Bibi, was a homemaker. Iqbal was the second youngest of 5 siblings. He received his early education from a local mosque and later joined the Scottish Mission College in Sialkot for his high school education. After completing his high school education, Iqbal moved to Lahore to pursue his higher education. In 1895, he enrolled at the Government College University, Lahore, where he obtained a Bachelor of Arts degree in 1897. He then proceeded to study law in England and received a degree from the University of Cambridge in 1907. Career. Iqbal started his career as a lawyer and worked as a lecturer at the Government College University, Lahore. He was a prolific writer and penned many books, essays, and poems in both English and Urdu languages. His work focused on the themes of spirituality, metaphysics, and social justice. Political involvement. Iqbal was also actively involved in the Indian independence movement and played a crucial role in the creation of Pakistan. He believed in the idea of a separate homeland for Muslims and advocated for the establishment of an independent state for them. Death. Allama Iqbal passed away on April 21, 1938, in Lahore, after a prolonged illness. He was buried in the Hazari Bagh area near the Badshahi Mosque in Lahore. Legacy. Allama Iqbal is considered one of the greatest poets and thinkers of the Indian subcontinent. His work has had a profound impact on the Urdu language and literature, and his poetry continues to be celebrated and studied to this day. He is also remembered for his contributions to the creation of Pakistan and his advocacy for Muslim rights in the region. The Pakistan government has conferred upon him the title of National Poet of Pakistan, in recognition of his contributions.